What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a few updates about the Crypto Treasures app. So overall actually the rewards have actually been reduced, especially the PHT rewards. So there's a chance to get higher gold, but there's a lower chance to get PHT, which is why I advised you guys to actually buy Phonium from the Probit exchange. I'm going to make a video on that in the future. So I actually advise you guys to buy from the Profit Exchange if you feel tired using the application. But this application is actually giving you Phonium for free, and actually a free passive. All you have to do is just spend about 5 minutes on this application every single day. So if that's the way you want to go, you can go for that as well. So as you can see here, the rewards have been reduced to about 5 spins per day, but the rewards that they give you are actually higher. But if you actually calculate it compared to the last way they did it with 40 spins, you actually have less rewards now, especially if you want to get your PHT balance up faster. So the same thing for the rock paper scissors. They have actually reduced this from 10 games to 6 games, but on the other hand they've actually added a few concepts to the game that actually like. So first of all, they made the application look a bit more like Crypto Treasures. You can now complete quests, as you can see in this top corner. So as you can see here, I'm going to be rewarded for just doing simple things that I'm already doing in the game. I can claim this blockchain chest, I can claim spins, I can claim more spins, I can claim experience, and so on, just like the Crypto Treasures application. So guys, as I said earlier, if you don't want to do this, you can actually use the Probit exchange to buy more PHT tokens. So actually I have a target to get to about 100,000 Phonium tokens, which I'm going to be sending to the cloud mining application, and then I'm going to be staking it there. So guys, that's actually an optional way to do it if you want to. So at the same time, nothing necessarily changed about the application. The PHT is still there, but they've actually also added Phonium Green. You can now get Phonium Green as rewards as well. So if you click on this quest now and you scroll down, you'll see that there are some tasks you can complete so that you can earn Phonium Green tokens, as you can see on your screen right now. So just a way there, you can see they're really trying to incorporate the Phonium Green token, the new token, into their games. So but I prefer the way they did it here. They actually gave an option to withdraw to convert to PHTG tokens instead of just forcing everyone to convert to PHT green tokens. So I actually prefer that. I think that has a better way to enforce it than just forcing everyone to convert their Phonium tokens. So another thing they've added on the application is the earn section. So if you click on earn, you can actually have a chance of watching videos to earn more gold, so that you can use to buy more chests, and you can use to get more Phonium tokens. So that's just it guys, that's just it about it. So at the same time, that's just all they've introduced. So I'm going to be making another video. As you can see, I'm past the withdrawal limit already. So just by spending a few minutes on this app daily, just by spending 5 minutes, 10 minutes, just a few minutes daily, you can actually get Phonium all for free. So instead of buying with real cash, if you prefer to do this task every day or as much as you can do this as well. So if you're think that is just this game pass and then this dice game, so just a few other ways for it to earn free gold so that you can use to withdraw more PHT. So just a few other things they just added. So not really anything that's really changed about the game. So I prefer this way that they actually remodeled the game, just adding a few rewards for PHT Green, since they've completely reintegrated the PHT Green token for Crypto Treasures. I feel they were a bit more lenient on this application. So guys, that's just all about I'm going to see you guys in subsequent videos. If you got anything out of this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm going to see you guys in subsequent videos guys. Thanks.